Hey everyone, in this class we'll see how we can install the Node.js using NVM. So NVM is basically a node version manager that can be used to install Node.js, and even if you have multiple Node.js versions installed on your system, then in that case you can use any specific version which you want using NVM. So to do that, you need to first of all means update the system. So using this command I'm using in the right side and left side, which you can see here. So you have to just update your system using sudo apt update. After that, we will be installing curl as my system is new, so curl is not present. So let's wait until update. Okay, it's done. Let's install curl. Then we will go for the installation of nvm. So just use this command. Nvm is also done. So you can check the version of nvm. We can just increase. Yeah, you can do nvm hyphen version. I need to just exit and open new terminal that I can use. Okay, so nvm is installed, and to see the version, what is the command? Maybe I need to check nvm hyphen any nvm hyphen hyphen version. You can see. So we have 39.7. Okay, 0.39.7. Cool. nvm is installed. Now let's go for the installation of the Node.js. So basically, you can use this command nvm ls remote. It will show you the what is the versions available for the node, and here you can see 24.11.0, 25.25.1. These are the latest one. So we will be installing the nvm install, like whatever long-term support, whichever is the stable version, that will be installed. So here 24.11.0. So here you can see the latest LTS. So this version will be installed. Now if we do node-v, so 24.11.0, you can see you can use npm-v also. Npm is also installed. So in this way you can use nvm to install the Node.js. So that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.